G'day and welcome to our Back to Basics series. Today I'm going to be talking about pulse outputs, how it works and where they're used around the world. Pulse outputs simply generate zeros and ones. Stack enough of those together and you get a measurement. And by using my torch here, I can show you that it's simply a high and a low state. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. My measured value is 3. And this simple form of measurement, whether you know it or not, is probably something that you already use at home in the form of a simple water meter. When water is flowing through this, the dial is turning, and for one full revolution, we get one pulse output. Again, stack enough of those together, and that's how your water utility is billing you every month. So pair one of these with a smart device like a Cactus, take those pulse outputs and turn them into valuable insights like measurements, and you can completely revolutionize the metering industry. And if you do still want to know more about pulse outputs and how we leverage those with our Cactus device, head to our website to find out more.